black. And now we're going to some doop, doop. And another one. Some buttons. That looks good, doesn't it? Some more. Another eye. Doop, doop. And some buttons.
More?
More? You give him some buttons here. Yeah, very good. And Charlie gave him a red nose?
Yeah.
Yeah? Give him nose here. Put a nose here. Here. Yeah, very good. Now you mix everything.
Oh, Will.
Yeah, that looks good. You put a nose here. There. There.
It's just too much fun.
Mix all the colors, isn't it? You want to put some on here?
Huh?